This video note demonstrates how to optimize an image for display on a web page. Digital images, like those taken with a digital camera, are not ready for display on a web page. The file size of a digital image is typically too large for speedy download. The dimensions of a digital image are typically too large to display on a web page without scrolling. Image optimization requires balancing file size and image quality. Image optimization is the process of creating an image with the lowest file size that renders with acceptable quality. This tropical island image taken with a digital camera is over 1 megabyte in file size. The image is over 3,000 pixels wide and over 2,500 pixels high. This image needs to be optimized for display on a web page. There are many graphics applications for you to choose from to optimize your image. Graphic design professionals might opt to use Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Fireworks. Students often like to use free software. Pixlr.com offers a free online image editor that's easy to use. GIMP is a free graphics application that runs on the Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. In this video note, we'll demonstrate how to optimize an image with GIMP. Visit gimp.org to download and install GIMP on your computer. Launch GIMP. Be patient. GIMP takes about a minute to start up the first time you use it. Once GIMP launches, you should see 3 separate panels. The Toolbox panel on the left, the New Image Manipulation Program main panel in the middle, and the Layers panel on the right. We'll concentrate on using the main panel in this video note. Let's optimize a tropical island image named island.jpg. You should have a similar image in the student files. Look in the starter folder for the current chapter. To open the image, select File, Open. Navigate to the island.jpg file. Select Open. You should now see part of the island.jpg photo in the GIMP main panel. The dimensions of the file are too large for the entire photo to display. Look in the bottom of the main panel and notice that this image is displayed at only 25% of its actual size. We'll change the display to 100%. The GIMP main panel is set to 100% and shows just a small portion of the image. This image is too large for display on a web page. We need to reduce the dimensions of the image. Resize the photo by selecting Image, Scale Image. The Scale Image dialog box displays. Change the width to 640 and the height to 480. Select Scale. The resized image displays. Now let's further compress the JPEG image by saving the file and setting the quality level. Select File, Save As. The Save Image dialog box will display. Change the name of the image to myisland.jpg and navigate to your folder. We've navigated to a folder named Optimize. Select Save. The Save as JPEG dialog box will display. Select the checkbox for Show Preview in Image window. As you move the quality slider bar, notice that the file size of the image is displayed. Set the quality to about 54. The estimated file size should be just about 40K. Select Save. Your new image is ready to be used in a web page. To review, image optimization is the process of creating an image with the lowest file size that renders with acceptable quality. Image optimization requires balancing file size and image quality.